Hey neighbors, Brendan here from That Kid Next Door, back with another video today, here with the Goozer. Today we're going to be unboxing two iPhone 10s's or XS's, whatever you want to call it, and let's just get straight into this video and unbox these. Unbox them, so let's just open these bad boys. I'll start and then you'll go, okay?
Wait, I'm opening it?
Yeah.
That is your mom.
I don't know which one's which though, so just open that. These look amazing, bro. Look at that. Bro, this is my phone right here, so this is gonna be my new phone. It looks amazing. I will get back to you when it's set up, and so let's just open this next one. Open that one.
Wait, what?
Open it up.
Okay.
So with my phone, we will continue opening it, and I'll show you it all the way. But this one, for certain reasons, we cannot. So yeah, here's gonna be the gold. Here's the gold. Take this thing out. This is the white. Yeah, it's not really gold. It's like more white.
It's the white goldish.
The white goldish one. That one's
clean.
Which one do you prefer though? Comment down below which one you prefer, guys. This one.
Guys,
which one you prefer? You prefer?
I prefer
the gold,
like
the gold white, or the gray silver.
Gray silver.
Write it in the down below.
If you're gray silver, then go subscribe to Goose Crew.
Yeah, and if you like the other one, subscribe to me. But subscribe to both of us. What the heck?
just subscribe.
Oh, okay. And we'll see you guys when it's done setting up. Okay, guys. So we just finished setting up the iPhone 10s Max. The 10s, sorry. But the XS, whatever you want to call it. It is amazing. The phone is amazing. I love it. It's so good. So right now, guys, I'm going to be showing you on the screen right next to me. There's going to be, well, yeah, it's going to be picture-in-picture. I'm going to be showing you the Face ID on this thing. It is amazing. No joke. So let's just get right into this, you know. I mean, what am I supposed to say about this phone? It is the best thing in the world. It's the best thing. It's the best. It's the best. No joke. So basically what it does is it unlocks. I just scan it and then I swipe up. It's like so lit and so cool. Anyway, guys, here is the phone. Here's what it looks like. Very, very, very cool. Go swipes back and forth, you know. Download a bunch of apps on here, including my music and stuff. You just pull down from the right-hand corner right here. I'm going to show you right here. Swipe out, and I'm out of the app. It's really cool. I really like this phone. The graphics on this thing are amazing. The OLED thing is amazing. It is so good. Anyway, guys, that is the iPhone 10s. It is amazing, guys. It's just I can't believe how good this phone is. Amazing. Anyway, guys, if you did like this video, please subscribe to my channel. And basically, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye. Brennan here. I messed up. Hey guys. I messed up again. I'm so used.
It's easier.
Hey neighbors, Brennan here from that kid next door.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the.
Unboxing.
No, 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 no.